Sup guys, Jigs here. Today in this video, I'm going to be playing some of my games because I'm just bored and I'm just going to be playing some of my games that I like to play. And yeah, today I'm just going to be playing Cool Master Kids up here. So, we're going to be playing Snoring today. It's a great game. I love that game, Snoring. Funny, right? Yeah, Snoring. So here it is, Snoring. Just wait for it to load. Snoring, snoring. Let me turn on my voice. Is my voice all the way up? There. Voice. I didn't know it could take that long for this thing to load. Let's refresh the page because this is taking forever to load. Wow. Okay, so there's a problem with the web page. When I'm recording, really? This had to be when I was recording? There we go, yeah. This is way too loud. So basically what I'm gonna do is knock down the elephant when he's sleeping. The first few levels are easy. Knock him down, come on. Oh man, I failed. Again? Oh my gosh. So you're supposed to let it go, I guess? Alright, I forgot how you do this level. So that goes like that. Goes there, then you launch up in the, there we go. There we go. This is hilarious. This game's so hilarious. Oh, wow. This level's like the easiest. There we go. That's hilarious. Yeah, let's restart this level. There we go. Oh, wow. Snoring is so hilarious. I mean, like, Snoring is like, it's like a fun game. You can get it on Cool Math for Kids. So basically how you do it is you just Google Cool Math for Kids, and then you go to Android section, which allows you to play stuff on the Android and all that stuff. So yeah. For those of you that don't know how I'm doing this, I'm basically just clicking the red bar recording at the top. And I got like a new keyboard case for my iPad, so I don't need to use the home button or anything like that. That's really cool. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's Snoring. I know I haven't made a video in a long time. I'll try to make one video like almost every week, maybe. I'll try to, because like, yeah. Anyway, that's the end of this video here, guys. I want to give a shout out to everybody that subscribed to my channel, like Marobi Paul, Horad Shiddu, Taylor Sparkles, Andrew Higgins, and Jean Aman. So thank you all guys for watching, and a shout out to all of you guys. So yeah, bye guys.